So hey guys, how are you doing? Myself Aman and I'm working as a content creator in Laksh IT Solutions. We have placed more than 5,000 plus students into their dream IT MNCs. Some of the organizations are TCS, Infosys, Oracle, Accenture, KPIT and Deloitte. Basically, our organization is established in 2013. So as you can see how long the experience duration it is. The trainer we have are the full stack developers. So guys, recently we are going to start our full stack Python and Java development courses. In this course also, you get training under full stack developers. We focus more on practical knowledge rather than theory knowledge. So we provide 2 major project development in this particular course also. There are free resume building seasons are also available so that you can get easily shortlisted and get the opportunity of interview without any waiting. We also provide interview preparation training and also you get the batch completion certificate. You also get a good opportunity to do internship with us. For more details, feel free to call on this particular number which has been showing on the screen throughout the video. And guys, if you want to get much more detailed information about our organization, so you just go through our website and get each and every information in detail. You can definitely see some of these responses which are provided by our students. Just won't waste any time, just click on the below link to get the total information.